We are from Ace Manufacturing System. The Ace Manufacturing System started in the year 1994 with only 3 machining centers in the first year. Now we have grown up to 2,500 plus machines in the last year. All this growth was due to our own customers, suppliers, and the ecosystem that we have built over a few years. We have one of the best technologies in the machining centers, and we have built-up centers, horizontal machining centers, and vertical machining centers in our state. All sectors can be supported with the machining center that we built. We are here in Hanover for showcasing our technologies. I request every one of you to come and have a look at our machines and technologies so that we can be of some help to you to produce components very competitively. And we are present across the globe, whether it is the Australia on the east or whether it is USA on the west. Every country we have put our machines, and those customers have really helped us to grow to this size. You will come and enjoy the technologies being showcased there.